Hi everyone. As you know, I do have an Instapot. I haven't used it very often. I just really didn't have that many recipes. So I went ahead and I bought an Instant Pot cookbook for beginners, which I am. And in there I found a recipe for coconut rice. So tonight I'm going to be making coconut rice in the Instapot. What all goes into the coconut rice? 1½ cups jasmine rice, rinsed. 1 14-ounce can unsweetened coconut milk. Mine's 13½. 1/2 cup chicken broth, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. I plugged it in and the Instant Pot says that it is on off. That is on standby. We'll open up the lid. And we want to put in our rice. I already rinsed it. We will put in our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, our 1/2 teaspoon of chicken broth, and our can of coconut milk, and mix that up. And you heard the noise, that's saying that the lid's on. And I put it on to sealing. We want to cook it for 5 minutes. So you hit either manual or pressure cook. And it's at 5 minutes. This is hour, minute, minute. So for the 5 there means 5 minutes. The pressure level needs to be on high. We don't want the keep warm button. We want to eat it as soon as it gets done. And you might notice out of all of these buttons, it does have a rice button, but the recipe is just asking for the high pressure cook. So that's what we're doing. It now says it's on. That means it's building up pressure. It will build up pressure, then it'll come back on to the 5 minutes and make a countdown. So the pressure is built up. It went back to 5. That is 5 minutes. It will start counting down now. So the 5 minutes are up. It is saying end. It's why we didn't keep it warm. We want to do, there's the release button right there. We want to do a natural release for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll hit a quick release and release any of the existing pressure. So the 10 minutes are up. We'll go ahead and do a quick release. As soon as the pressure is done, we will serve it up. So the pressure is all released. The little valve thingy dropped down saying that it is safe to open up. You want to make sure that when you open it that you keep it away from you so you don't burn. And then I'll set it there and we will fluff up the rice. So here is the coconut rice that I cooked in the Instant Pot, and rounding out the meal is Parmesan crusted pork chop. I'll get Dave to do a taste test.
And what is this?
Coconut rice.
Coconut rice, okay.
And if you want to, I was going to put cilantro on the top, but I didn't have any. But you can drizzle sweet and sour sauce over it if you want to give it a little bit more flavor.
Put it on the side so I can sample it first. That's good too. It's good either way. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.